Okay guys, it's Transport HD and welcome back. Today I'm at Bristol Parkway. My first long trip for a while. I thought I'd come to Bristol and make a few videos. I will be making a video at Temple Meads as well. So you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Crosscountry in this video. So I'll come back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, we're back. Just thought I'd show you all the Freightliners here in the Bristol Parkway sidings. I'll wait for some more trains to come in. Got a Freightliner locomotive in the back there, as you can see. I'll just see what the number is on this one. I think there's two in there. Number. It's hard to get the number, guys, but as you can see, there is a Freightliner locomotive in there. And there's another one. In there as well, guys. Don't know if we'll be seeing a freight today, I'm not sure. I think there was one due to come in, but don't know if he's running or not. So yeah, I'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we're back. We do have some kind of freight, but it's just two, looks like it's just two locomotives together. So if you come down here, you're going to get different things. Obviously, I've done a long distance trip for a while. I think these locomotives are coming onto platform 4. I don't know what kind of make it is. I'm assuming it might be Freightliners. There's a lot of Freightliner locomotives on the sidings there as well. Looks like it is two Freightliners, guys. Get the numbers. $66,508 at the front. $66,548 at the back. I think those locos might be terminating here for a bit, and then it'll go off. We'll see if we could try and catch them again before they go. If not, we've seen them anyway, so that's good. That's different. Yeah, you don't often get that down out to St David's. I think there's some train coming from Stevenage going to Cardiff Central, and it says it's a diesel locomotive train, a load of 455 tons. So, be interested to see what that is. That's coming around after about 11:30. So, yeah, there should be another train coming in going to Swan. No. 2. Yeah, we got a train coming in now going to Worcester, Foregate Street. It's one of those turbo style trains. Is it a 166 or a 165? It's a 166-205 on the train. You don't see those trains down Exeter either. So Yeah, we'll go down to the end of the platform and see it go out. So we'll come back then, guys. Great Western Railway service to Worcester Foregate Street, guys. Well, the locomotives are gone out of the station, unfortunately, so you won't see them unless I can get to the end. Zoom in. Let's have a try. Come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, we're back. We actually got more locomotives in there. If I can zoom in. We have a 66-512 Freightliner. There's another one next to it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's another one there, but obviously can't catch the number. And I believe, I'll just zoom out. Assuming this is the area where they keep all the Freightliners. And there's another Freightliner here, guys. Look, there's a lot of Freightliner locomotives down here.
This is a security message.
66-536 on that locomotive.
Speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
So yeah, that's all the locomotives in that depot. Come back in a few seconds, guys. Hey guys, we're back. We do have the return of the locomotives. He's just going to come into the depot now, I think. Or I don't know if he's going to go through or not, I'm not sure actually. He's terminating at Stoke Guildford, those locomotives are. So I'm assuming it's just down from Parkway, is it? Okay guys, should have another train coming in going to Swansea. I'm assuming that will be probably be a 10 coach or 80. I don't know if we'll see any HSTs today. I'm hoping we will. It's the last day of the HSTs actually, in fact. It'd be nice to at least see one, wouldn't it? Sad times for our railway. HST's going today. You'll still get some HSTs, but they'll be in castle sets. Obviously it's not the same as the long ones, but you know, better than nothing, I suppose. So yeah, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, we got a Great Western Railway service to Swansea coming in, and we do have we'll have an HST service going to London Panthers. So I want to see that go out. Depends if this IET gets in the way. It might be alright if we'll see it from here. (800-013) at the front. And 800-014 at the back. We will see the HST then. We got space. I think HST's coming in now. We'll keep the camera rolling, guys. We will get to see it at HST today. Hey guys, well, it should be coming in. Hey guys, we're back. The HST going out. That's the NC one. Lovely two-tone as well, guys. And that's why we'll miss them. Last day of the HSTs. Hey guys, back at the Great Western Railway Service to Swansea. Back to the part. Apparently there's going to be at least 4 HSTs today. I don't know if I'll catch them all, I just caught one of them at least. You saw the 43185, you're going to see the Harry Patch one, the apparently Odo Common, and the old in the City livery, the 1251 I believe. Okay then guys, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Hey guys, we're back. Got another turbo just turned up on platform 4. Not sure where he's going to, maybe Western Supermare, somewhere like that. 166, 218 on that train. He's back to leave. Okay, not a bad session so far here at Parkway. Yeah, it was good to see that HST, the 43185. Like I said, he should be seeing Harry Patch one. They're going to be here going to from London Paddington to Bristol today. They are apparently. So yeah, saw the 43185. Is those locomotives still down there? Let's see if we can try and catch them. Okay, guys, I'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains.
Westbury, Frome, Bruton, Castle Carey, Yeovil Pen Mill, Thornford, Yetminster, Chetnole, Maiden Newton, Dorchester West, Upway and Weymouth. This train has 2 coaches. Due to a short platform, passengers for Avencliff should board the rear coach. Thornford, Yetminster and Chetnole are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to leave.
One 165, 129 on the train, guys.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 11:27 cross-country service to Plymouth. This is the service from Manchester Piccadilly.
No AT going through, guys. 800 019 at the front. and 800 036 at the back. Should have a cross-country service coming in, going to Plymouth, back to where I live. Oh, I live at Exeter, but near enough. Well, I should be going through. It's just stopping for a minute, waiting for the signal. I'm guessing it's IETS. We'll come back in a few seconds. (221-141) on the Voyager, guys. That's going to Plymouth. Still have that IET over there. Apparently there's going to be a rail tour coming to Bristol Parkway, so I've been told, and that's coming through about, well, it'll be stopping here at about 11:30, so we'll get that on camera. And you guys will come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, we're back. The IET now leaving Parkway, going to Stoke Guildford Depot, I believe.
May I have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the gap between the train and platform edge when boarding.
Guys, we're back. Cross-country service coming in, going to Manchester Piccadilly.
11:40 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham New Street. Calling at Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street.
Hey guys, we're back. We got a bonus freight coming through. He's coming through about 4 or 5 hours early, which is quite extraordinary. So this is a bonus. It's the Class 70. Don't know if it's a coach rail or a Freightliner.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 11:52 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester. This is the service from Weymouth.
(7807) on the locomotive. A nice bit of clack there. It's a long one. trailer load of 1,200 tons, I believe, something like that. And over here we just got a train turned up on platform 3, 166-206, so he's going off to Gloucester. I'll see that guy very shortly.
Bristol Parkway service to London Paddington. Calling at Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. This train has 10 coaches. First class accommodation between zones 1, 2, 6 and 7. Standard
Okay guys, that would do now for trains at Bristol Parkway. Hope you enjoyed the video. Quite a really nice variety of trains here at Parkway. Next stop will be Bristol Telemees. I'll do a video there. Now I may go to Boss Bar as well. So I'll be making plenty of videos today, so don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Cheers guys.